Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This is the first video of our academic writing skills, how to paraphrase sentences. Please note you should check your referencing needs for the course or the program you are studying. Why paraphrase? Well, firstly, to avoid plagiarism. So plagiarism is when we are using another person's research, work, or just their words and saying they are our own. So we are not stating where this information, where these ideas are coming from. Secondly, when we're using sources in our work, we're giving our work good academic quality. So we're showing that we are reading and learning about these concepts and using them to give our work academic quality. So how to paraphrase? Firstly, we need to use synonyms. So synonyms are words that have the same meaning, but we have to change the words, so we're using synonyms. It's very important that we keep the same meaning by using different words, by using our synonyms. If we can, we should change the order of the information. We should use a similar or same number of words as the original text. So for example, it should not be a lot shorter than the original text, or it should not be a lot longer. It should be about the same length. And then finally, we should always introduce the source. So normally this is the author, the family name, and the year. How to paraphrase. So here's an example of a quote that I want to use in my writing. So the first thing I need to do is I need to highlight the key words, the key ideas of this text to help me paraphrase. So working from home is the subject, that's got to be important. And who is doing this? The employees are doing this. And what does this make happen? Isolated, feeling isolated, and dissatisfied. All right, so here are some of the key words from this quote that I am now going to step 2 is find synonyms for them. So similar words with a similar or same meaning. So the first one, working from home, we could change this to say working away from the office. Another word for employees, we could say workers. Feeling isolated, so this isolated is to be alone. And dissatisfied, unhappy. Okay, so I've got the key words and I've used synonyms now so that I can say the same thing in a different way. So then the next thing is I need to introduce the source. Do this first so you don't forget to add it. So the source I can see is King, 2019, page 12. I'm doing an in-text reference, so I don't need the page number. I can put it if I like, but lots of referencing styles you don't need the page number when you're paraphrasing. So you can see here I've used the author's family name and the year in brackets. A reporting verb I've used infers, and now I can look at this information I'm going to use to write. So I am going to change the order first. I'm going to say that workers can feel alone and unhappy. So I've used the second part of the sentence first to change the order of the information. And then I'll finish it with the first part of this sentence. So King infers that workers can feel alone and unhappy while working away from the office. So I've used synonyms, I've got the key concepts, I've changed the order, so I've got a good paraphrase. Here's another example. So I've got the original text here again. So the first thing I want to do is highlight the keywords in this piece of writing. An increase, students or number of students maybe, attending university, where is this happening, has led to changes. Changes could be important, but what has changed? The methods and style of learning, of lectures. Okay, so I think the main idea is there's more students at university, and there's the methods and style of delivery is different. So I'm going to find synonyms. So another word for increase, I can say a rise. Number of students, or we could say participants or learners. For what? Another word for university is territory education or territory studies. And the methods and style, teaching and learning is what this is talking about. So of course then we need to think about our source and how are we going to put that into our writing. Start with your source so that you don't forget. So you can see the family name, the year in brackets, and a reporting verb of some type. Then I'm going to use these key words that I have synonyms with to write my sentence. So I've said changes in territory teaching and learning. So again, I've started with the second part of the sentence first, so my order is different, and I'll finish it with the beginning of the sentence using my synonyms. So this is now, Mendes claims that changes in territory teaching and learning are the result of a rise in the number of learners. So we're saying the same thing with different words and in a different order, with the author and the year included. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and for more videos, subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.